Hello adventurers and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really fun for you guys. On the channel we have an entire camping cooking list where we use all sorts of different cooking devices, but you don't have to pay a lot to be able to cook a delicious meal. And I want to show you today how you can cook up something that is absolutely the easiest thing on earth, and you can do it literally at any campsite. You can either use your camping fire ring at your regular paid campsite, or you can build a campfire and you can do this. I have been doing this for a very long time, and it's kind of one of my little hidden secrets that I do just every so often to create some bold flavors without having to use a lot of resources. It just takes whatever your creative mind can put into this little pack and then a little bit of foil and you are set. So today let me show you how I have been making these since the beginning, with a little throwback to one of my first grill packs that I ever made. This is a great one and it is one of my favorites even to date. It has shrimp, it has sausage, and it has tons of great vegetables.